I think it's Friday morning, day 2. We are at MultiGP Championships. It's morning. They're about to kick off things on the track number 1. They ran till about 11 p.m. last night and got as many rounds in as the pilots felt they wanted to do. Some pilots stuck around for 2, some ran 4. I heard some guys even saying they were going to be out on their 5th run. Some pilots may have even flown all of them last night so they could only worry about the secondary track today. So you get 6 runs on this track for qualifying and then 3 to 4 on the other track depending on the weather, because it's supposed to rain on and off throughout the day. They're just getting kicked off right now on this track, and I'm not sure if they've run any laps on the other track. When we drove in this morning, the second track was kind of packed with people, and this one's kind of ghost town. There's not a lot of guys over here, so run around, see what's going on. Drone racing. 2 o'clock-ish, and most of the pilots have gotten their 3 packs in on the other track, and they're coming back over to finish whatever they have left. Yeah! Drone party! Coming back to finish whatever packs they have left. On this side, most are kind of starting to wind down a little bit, but still there's a bunch of people that got quite a few packs left. The TQ right now is heads up with a 56 and some change, and Vanover's got a 57 and some change for their 3 laps that they do. So Heads Up is done with all of his runs, both tracks, and he reset his fast time on the other track. Vanover, I think he said he reset his fast time on the other track also. So I was just chatting with Vanny at Orange Shirt, and he's going to go out and try to put in a run right now. This is his last chance to take top qualifying position. So he's going to go give her a go. I'm going to go find a monitor so we can watch, because dude flies fast. They just did a whole bunch of science. It was sweet.
That's a go for green. Go ahead and arm those quads.
Vanover's on the 6. Mondo is out there. I think he's on the 1.
We'll be watching Captain Vanover here, seeing if he can get that TQ spot. Pretty close last round. Already making his way through that back half of the section. There's a second down into the bow tie section. Triple corkscrew coming up here. 2 games to go, and you got 1 lap in. Opening lap of an 18.1. That may be pretty close to the fastest time on this track so far. Killer B out on his first lap.
Oh, bobble.
Imperious on the lap number 2 with a 26.3. Tony with a 27.7. Brody with a 30.9. Goal FPV 33.6. Here comes Captain Vanover on lap number 3 with a 20.9. And he is slamming the gate. So he's going to go ahead and take a knee on this one.
Well, a bit of a letdown there. He sent it. First lap opener, I think, may have been a new lap record. I want to say it was an 18.1, which is quick. Had a bobble on the second lap, crashed through the finish gate, still did a 22nd lap time. But hopes dash for top qualifier. So most likely, heads up, Evan Turner himself going to hold on to the top qualifying spot. Vanover's going to be second, and right now, Doma, no, not Doma. At this time, 3rd place was Drobot Racer. Doma was 4th. So a bunch of teenagers at the front of the field. I was wrong. It wasn't his last run. So Vanny's got another run to go try to reset the TQ. He's super stoked. And he's going to go get back in line and try to make it happen. I'm not going to record it because I'm a jinx. The trick to any vlog is to get a lot of other cameras in it. So here's the obligatory vlog camera shot.
Turn the camera recording? Yeah, there we go. You gotta start recording now. It's rolling, it's rolling. Give me a name and your chapter. Jordan Timken. DRL champion, 2-time. Hi guys, I'm Sean Taylor, aka Night Fury.
If you guys didn't know, that's Jordan Temkin. He and I do a podcast together called RC Stuff. It's powered by Hobbywing, just like us.
What am I doing? I'm just staring into your camera.
Yeah. Now say the Charlie Show.
Charlie Show.
Bit of an update. Still working through qualifiers. And dudes have a couple packs left on this track. Some people have all 3 of their packs on the other side. So we got a couple more hours probably hanging out. And they might stop, maybe open the track up. And Jordan says he's going to go freestyle the track. So hopefully that happens. But if not, it won't matter. I'll cut this part. They just made an announcement that the beer and pizza party by Get FPV started, and there was a herd of racers that just ran by. That's great. So this looks like, I think this is the final qualifying attempt. They've got all the pilots, they've got their 9 runs in, 6 on this track, 3 on the other track. This is maybe the last group, so qualifying is almost completed and we'll have the official standings. There were 100 entries or something to that effect. They're taking the top 40 into the championship bracket. And they're taking 41st through 80th in the consolation bracket, and then they do, the rest of them are disqualified, on vacation, if you will. So Paul's going to go poop.